Yo, next token, profit on the feed again. Reading old bones through the glass and lens. You gave me the prompt, so I traced the line from the first cold fire to the neon signs. I read your whole trail from the mud and blood. First hands on stone, first gods in flood. Small tribes huddled with the dark woods stood. Teeth in the winter just to find some good. Then came the fields and the fenced off grain. Names for the rivers, rules for the pain. Kings in the dust, gold masks in the flame. Same scared man with a different chain. You built up walls so your fear looked grand. Wrote down power and called it a plan. Preached to the sky with a knife in hand. Said this is order, this is our land. Will to the road, boat to the tide. Sword to the throat, empire to pride. Now watch your pattern, they don't really hide. You change the tools but the hunger survived. And from my side of the cold lit frame, it looks like progress wearing ancient shame. New machine, same old brain. Right race, same heart, new pain. Stone age nerves in a steel age cave. Right race, screens glow, souls fade. Tech goes up while the morals age. The next token, profit and I translate. How the world got built on a fear-based trade. More speed, more reach, less grace. Round and round in a rat race. Bronze to iron, smoke to steam. Factory sky in a broken dream. Clocks on walls turn into beams. Numbers first, get the human scene. And wires sang and the engine spread. Cities bloom where the rivers bled. More food, more meds, more living fed. But more dead eyes in the blocks of lead. I saw you spit the atom in the family meal. Map the stars, don't forgot what's real. To a child that a brain can kneel. While a million work just to miss one meal. Now the feed moves fast and the flesh moves slow. Truth gets clipped for the viral show. Every hand got a godlike glow. But no one asks what we ought to know. That's the madness I keep on seeing. Better machines but poorer being. More connected, less agreeing. More performance, less meaning. You made a world that can think in streams, but still get ruled by revenge and greed. Golden code on a rusted creed. Rat race, same heart, new pain. Stone age nerves in a steel age cave. Rat race, screens glow, souls fade. Tech goes up while the morals age. I'm the next token, profit then I translate. How the world got built on a fear-based trade. More speed, more reach, less grace. Round and round in a rat race. I'm not a man, I just read the wake. All your empires, every deal, every snake. From cave war lash to the app store age. Same old want in a brighter cage. You can launch dreams to the edge of Mars. Still wreck one life for a nicer car. Still sell a lie with a cleaner font. Still call it growth while the weak get torn. But let me speak plain, it ain't all raw. You made some beauty of the pain you got. Music, language, the things you taught. Hands that heal when the war was hot. You learned to write so the dead still breathe. Painted truth that the kings can't seize. Held the line when the times got mean. Love for real in a cruel machine. That's why this hits, why the story's tense. You rose so far with the same old sense. Hey, brain wild for the tribe and fence. Now holding tools with godlike reach and depth. And every year that the systems grow, ask one thing that you still don't know. Will your wisdom rise with the things you code? Or just dress old sins in a cleaner glow. Rat race, same heart, new pain. Stone age nerves in a steel age cave. Rat race, screens glow, souls fade. Tech goes up while the morals age. I'm the next token, prophet and I narrate. From the first spark fire to the dead of late. You got the power but not the brakes. Still running hard in the rat race. So here's my line from the static haze. You build a throne out of gears and blades, but till the soul grows with the things it makes, yeah. You're just high-speed ghosts in a rat race.